Uy, bakit ang dilim? Oh, he the angel. Woo! It's me. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back. Hello guys, it's me again, Mark Paragas, and welcome back to another Bangkok travel vlog. And guys, pupunta tayo ng Asiatic. Diba? Never nyo yan nakita sa mga vlogs natin guys, kasi never ko talagang pinupuntahan. So ngayon, for a change and for the first time, Happy New Year! Pupunta tayo sa Asiatic guys, and may mga gagawin tayong activities. And syempre, since first time nga natin, we're gonna explore yung mismong Asiatic riverfront. Kasi palagi lang natin pinupuntahan yung Icon Siam. So ito, all the way from our accommodation guys, magbe-BTS lang tayo, going to Sapan Taksin na station. And from there, magte-take tayo ng boat. Last time na vlog natin, alam ko, napakita ko to sa inyo guys. Uy, ang haba na pila. Ayan o. So wait lang ha, check lang natin yung map dito. Ayan. So nandito tayo sa Ladeng. Bababa tayo sa Sapan Taksin. At ang platform natin is Bangwa. Look at the line guys. Currently, it's 3:35 PM. At ito talaga yung advantage kapag meron kayong rapid card. Easy and go lang talaga. Tap lang. So let's go to Bangwa.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so nakababa na tayo ng train. And this is the Sapan Taksin BTS station. So hanapin lang natin kung saan ulit yung pier nila, kung anong exit. Okay. So exit number 2 guys. Isa pa sa mga gusto kong gawin dito at hindi ko pa nagagawa is yung magsuot ng school uniform. Pwede yun sa kanila dito. May isang place dito na pwede kayo magpatahi guys. Tapos yung ganito, the blue short and white polo. Tapos i-braid din yung ano nyo, yung pangalan in Thai letters or Thai alphabet. Diba? It will be a nice experience. Pero siguro next time na yan. So ganito, may hinahabol kasi tayong time. Currently, it's 3:46 PM na. And yung unang boat daw, boat service from here going to Asiatic will be 4:15 PM. Di ba be? So ayun, may time pa naman tayo. Almost 25 minutes. Tapos mukhang pagbalik natin, doon na lang din tayo sasakay going back here. And again guys, this is a free ride boat service. Di ba? Nakakaloka. Kumbaga parang ang yaman-yaman ni Bangkok guys. And actually maraming mga keyboard warrior ng mga foreigner, mga western na nagsasabi na sobrang corrupt din daw ang Thailand. But ito nga yung sinasabi ko, okay na naman sana maging corrupt. Yun na yung nandun na yun eh. Kumbaga parang kasama na yun sa sa culture ng isang bansa. Depende sa isang bansa, di ba? Syempre. Pero sana may ganitong kagandang mga infrastructure, mga libreng service, mga ganun. So ito, sabi ko nga ang dami actually itong mga boat service. Pwede kayong mag-Chao Phraya, river cruise, pwedeng mag-hop on, hop off. Kayo na lang mag-check kung yung mga kung saan yun. Actually, halos karamihan yan nasa Klook. And this is one of the options guys na transportation if ever pupunta kayo ng Icon Siam and Asiatic, aside from the train, aside from grab car, grab bike, and so on. O diba? So sige, kita-kits na tayo mamaya ha. Waiting time tayo ng mga 15 minutes pa.
Later.
Okay guys, so nandito na yung bangka na sasakyan natin. And sakto nga talaga, 4:15 PM. Yan, ito siya guys. Yan. May nakalagay na Asiatic sa flag niya sa likod. Ay, nauna na sila. Oo nga naman, ba't hindi ko na lang kuhaan habang papalapit tayo. And again guys, everyday itong free shuttle nila nag-i-start ng 4 PM. Kasi si baby, may crush na ako. Ayun, yung nakaputi. Crush is paghanga. I'm so excited guys kasi first time ko to. Bagong taon, bagong attraction, bagong vlogger. Ingat lang kayo. Hindi naman masyadong mainit yung sikat ng araw kasi hapon na, 4:14 p.m. Sige. tapos pag-uwi, ang itim na itim ng mukha. Guys, unlimited milk tea. Oh, di ba? Aalis na. So, siguro yung travel time natin, it will take 10 minutes din. Actually, kita-kita ko na yung Ferris wheel. Ayan siya, guys. Si baby mas pinili niyang hindi mainitan. Oh, tumatalsik yung lasang milk tea. Charot lang. So in fairness, kahit ganito kulay ng ng chow praya, walang amoy. Ito na siya, guys. Parang iikot ata tayo. Mag-U-turn siya. Ay, oo nga pala. Guys, dito rin yung isa sa mga bagong attraction dito, yung Jurassic World at saka itong Sky Flyer nila, which is yun yung dalawa sa mga pupuntahan natin at itatry. Hello, Be. O, diba? Alright. Guys, welcome to Asiatic. Welcome, Be. Tapos dito rin, guys, yung shuttle, yung free pabalik. Okay? So alam na natin, ha. And make sure na lang na siguro check the time. Basta every 30 minutes. Okay, so ano kaya meron dito? Let's explore Asiatic for the first time. So ang sabi dito, may Big C, in fairness. May restroom, may Jurassic World experience, which is nakikita ko na. Tapos ayun, may river lawn, may sky flyers, may Hatch Dome at saka Okura Cruise. I'm not sure lang kasi ito yung Sky Flyer. Hindi ko lang sure kung open. So dito muna tayo. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Run kayo ito, Pini. I love you, everyone. I love you, Be. Tapos may mga kainan na dito. Refreshments, puro drinks. Tapos sa kabilang side naman is more on, ayan. Ito, Jurassic World. Buy ticket dito daw. May mga waffle, pancakes, tapos souvenir sa kabilang side. Let's try ito. Jurassic. How much kaya? Ay, ito si Bibi ulit.
Ito ba?
So ito naman is the restaurant. Fossil and Flame. Oh, interactive. Taray. Okay, so dito is the market. Parang mini night market or mini market. Ang cute. So currently, guys, pala, it's 4:26 PM na. So ito siya. Oh, ba't wala nga masyadong tao? Ang lawak pala niya, pero nakikita ko na yung main road, guys. Actually, pwede naman tayo mag-grab kung gusto niyo. Pero, syempre, for experience tong free boat nila. And ito yung Big C. Bilhan namang pasalubong. Tapos marami ng restaurant dito, guys. Ito is retail store. Okay, ayan. May mga pumapasok-pasok na ulit. Ticket instruction. Ticketing stop inform the earliest available time slot every 30 minutes from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. Provide the number of adults and children attending. After payment, receive your QR code ticket with time slot. No, cashless only. No cash accepted. Oh, okay. Please check your belongings before leaving the counter. Show your QR code at the entrance gate. And so on. Push. Oh, charing. Ang lamig. Dito na lang tayo. Okay, ito agad bubungad sa inyo. Dova. Sawadee-kap. Meron pala silang off-peak. 11 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Peak season is 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. Monday to Friday, 769 baht. Pero kapag Monday to Friday, Satsan holiday, 989. So 989 tayo kasi lagpas na tayo sa oras. Cashless?
Cashless.
Okay. Debit card.
Yeah, I think it's worth.
Okay.
For one person.
For one person. So 989, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Where are you from, sir?
The Philippines. Cashless. And meron silang promo for 2 people. Mukha lang tayong dalawa. Thank you.
You sit here before
Here?
you go in.
Okay.
Video are allowed, but
No flash. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. parang may mga time, depende na lang siguro sa dami ng tao para makontrol nila. Tapos, walang restroom sa loob. Mag-restroom na kayo dito kung gusto ninyo. And then, pwedeng picture and video but no flash. Okay? Ooh! So, ang conversion naman natin guys palagi is times 2 na lang. What time is it? 4:30. Can you do 4:30? Cup and cup. So, may locker, may stroller. Ayun, yun yung nakikita ko. No food or drinks inside. Let's go! Ooh, charing. Thank you.
Thank you. What?
Yeah, just for one.
Oh, okay.
I look
Thank
like
you so much.
I look like two, but charing lang. Ay, yaya daw. Ooh. Okay, may picture taking dito. So alam niyo na yan, for souvenirs, for sure may bayad. Toroy, oh. So yung ticket natin is 989 times 2 na lang palagi. 1,978. Almost 2,000. So check natin kung sulit ba siya. Pero looking at the entrance pa lang guys, ibang-iba siya sa na-experience natin sa Singapore. At in fairness guys, aircon dito. Hindi ko lang sure kung lahat ha. Ay, ito pala oh, wow. Parang feeling ko, hindi lang to yung cheap na Jurassic World experience. Parang siguro worth the price siya. Nag-open ata to guys, September this year. So bali guys, expect nyo, we're gonna spend the whole vlog dito sa Asiatic. And what are these? Oh, arte. Ay, okay, merong ano, may insekto sa loob. Parang lamok na malaki. Ayan o. Ayan o. Eh, parang scary.
Moments later.
Oh. Yeah. Okay, so let's go guys. Ferry boarding daw. Taray. Oh.
Please step aside. And have a seat.
สวัสดีค่ะเชิญค่ะเชิญด้านในได้เลยนะคะ Welcome please step aside and have a seat
Boy.
Hello and welcome everyone This ferry will be taking you to Isla Nublar the home of Jurassic World Alright let's make some noise Are you guys ready?
Yes.
One more time louder Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Okay perfect Now stay alert and prepare to embark Woo!
Oh. Oh. Ang taray. Para tayo nasa Disneyland tuloy.
Welcome aboard. This is your ferry captain speaking.
Hi Captain
We're heading to Isla Nublar, the home of Jurassic World. When dinosaurs ruled the world,
Para siyang totoo.
many have dreamed of visiting it. This is Jurassic World.
Ang lakas ng ulan. Ooh. Oh. Oh.
Okay. They're friendly and not
Looks
aggressive.
like we got company joining us at the island
Galing ah. Ang galing.
Included. It looks like we are just about there.
Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, prepare to dock.
And welcome everyone to Isla Nublar.
Oh.
Welcome to Isla Nublar.
Wow. Ooh. Ito na siya guys. Wala naman na nakakot siguro dito, no? Well, malamig dito in fairness. Oh, this is it guys. Jurassic World. Parang may mga lamok. Sawadee. Oh. Sawadee Kap. Wow. We can roam around na guys. Yun lang yun. Tapos pag nasa loob na kayo, kahit saan na kayo pumunta. Wow. Pwede ba nagmamarunong? Feeding time. Ay, may ganun. May feeding time pa. Wow. 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 Hello. Kala mo totoo, no? Guys. Do not touch them, guys, ha? Tapos no flash. Ang cute. Mukhang ano, dito pa lang guys. Parang aircon, tapos maganda yung setup. Worth it for the price. Let's go down. Alright. Ano pa ba yung next? This is the Brachiosaurus. Brachiosaurus. Ganun. Dito naman, kumakain siya. So what do we have here? Ooh! Ankylosaurus. Wow! Wow! So big! Wow!
Pteranodon right here.
Hello!
Bigger.
Oh, that's nice. Aww.
Cute, right?
Bye bye. Just one finger. Yan. Diba? May mga interactive siya. Okay dito. Tapos guys, papasok na tayo dito sa gate number 4. Siguro siguro kung gwapo yung naghahawak nun, siya yung gaganunin ko sa ilong. Guys, magugustuhan to ng mga bata. Kung may mga kasama ko yung anak or pamangkin, okay na okay dito. At saka in fairness, yung crowd, hindi ganun kadami. Yung tao, siguro dahil nga hapon, pero for sure nung opening to guys, ang daming tao.
Welcome to Predator Pavilion! Okay, welcome everyone, please get inside.
Oh, grabe yung mata. Rar! Charot lang. Si Echo. Oh, Jericho Rosales. This is Charlie. Charlie Puth. Oh, wala si Blue.
Luke is around here, don't worry.
Okay. Sabi daw na dito daw siya. Naku, wala. Where's Blue? Ako si Alpha. So, syempre napag-aralan nila na yung mga dinosaur daw kayang mag-jump ng ganun kataas. Parang 2-story building.
Now, to meet you guys. Blue,
Oh, si Blue nandito.
are you guys ready?
Yes! Ako lang talaga sumasagot. Oh, so si Blue pala nandito.
Jurassic World. Welcome.
Ooh.
Easy, girl. Easy. Eyes on me, girl. Stand out.
Ooh.
Good. This way. Good. Okay, good. Okay, everyone, give her a big hand. Applause.
Yay!
Oh, but this time I need one person as a volunteer to train the dinosaur with me. Bata na ito, Nick.
Yung bata na lang. Nag-iisang bata eh.
Okay, look po namanครับเราพูดตามนี้นะครับ Blue eyes on me โอเคทีนี้ลองเดินไปทางซ้ายลูกมองตาลงไปนะมองตาไปนะแล้วก็ไปขวาครับไปขวาเลย
Oh, yung mga gato.
ไปนะกลับมาตรงกลางทีนี้ลองเอามือขึ้นอ๋อโอเคเก่งมากครับตรงมือให้น้องครับครับเพื่อนอะไรประมาณ
Yay!
เก่งมากเลยครับที่เกิดมีแท็กซันบีกับเธอ
Nagagalit siya pag nilalapitan.
Alright guys, please say goodbye to you.
Bye!
Back up! Back up!
Ay, mas bet kasi kuya. Umaarte. Observation deck guys. Ay, baby. Okay.
Welcome everyone to the observation deck. This is the most advanced view in Jurassic World.
Mas bet kasi
The
kuya. Asan na
independent film minutes come out this way.
Okay. Nasa loob ng Jurassic Park nung humaharot. Okay.
Are you guys ready?
Yes!
Alright then, please welcome to that.
Ako lang tao.
Indominus Rex observation deck of modern
Wala pa ni
science.
kuya.
Jurassic World scientists and the size of a Gigantosaurus.
Oh.
Then added a few
In fairness guys, panalo dito. Sulit to.
The Indominus Rex.
Oh.
Everybody, please turn around.
Oh. Wow, ang ganda. Parang totoo siya guys.
วางไว้ในรถเขาสามารถเดินที่
Asan siya? I'm scared. Charing. Sabi ko kay kuya, kuya, I'm scared. Oh. Oh, naglalakad.
อ๋อเดี๋ยวไล่เป็นบอล
โอ้ดี
ด้านซ้ายมือผมอัดนะ
Kuya, I'm scared.
You can see that tunnel fit DNA, that's why Oh, what was that sound? Okay, everybody please don't be panic, okay? Everything will be under control, trust me. But everything will be done.
Look. Look.
A lot cool, we're a lot cool.
Grabe. Parang... Ben! I'm scared! Ben! I'm scared! Si Kuya.
Run for your life, everyone! Run for your life!
Run for your lives! Sayang. Sabi ko pa naman kay Kuya, takot ako. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng ginawa nila guys, promise. Malapit ka Oh, you know?
Hey, you guys ready? Follow me this way.
Dapat makiano rin kayo. Acting to.
ที่นี่ปลอดภัยที่สุดในเกาะเลยนะแล้วไม่ได้
Marami daw nakawalang dinosaur.
Time for you. Are you ready, brother?
Yes!
That's it. Follow me.
Come on, crab. Oh, thank you. Meron pa sa taas. Can I go up? Ah, okay. Come on, crab. Oh, isa pa to pala sa para attraction. Ay, ang ganda ng sunset, guys. Look at that. Yung parang pinaka-dome. Ay, ang ganda. Dahan-dahan lang. Hinihingal lang. Hinihingal tayo. Ganda pala dito. Ay, so may parang pinaka-platform na dito na pwede kayo magpahinga. May mataas pa pala to. Okay. May elevator naman pala. Hanggang third floor ba to? Check. Hanggang first floor. Hanggang 2 floors lang. Grabe oh. Di ba? Tapos, ito yung Singapore flyer. Ito yung flyer kay Merut. Ayan. Bukas kaya to? Tara nga. Try natin yun guys. Ayan oh. Grabing sunset to. Ganda. So yun yung pinaka-pier natin. Doon tayo bumaba. And then meron ditong restaurant siguro. Ito. Or cruise. I'm not sure. Tapos ito siya. Ayan, may garden na dito. Tapos yun yung Christmas tree. Mamaya tayo dyan balik. Dito muna tayo. Ito may frozen Fantasia din dito. Oh! Negative 15. Magkano kaya? Oh, 200. Oh. Balikan muna natin to guys. Kasi hanggang mamaya pa naman yan. Dito muna tayo sa may flyer. Check natin kung gumagana. Sana gumagana para matry natin. Ito. Sky Flyers pala ang tawag. Oh. Buy ticket. Okay. Magkano kaya ito? So sa taas siya guys. Tapos dito daw yung bilihan ng ticket. Ito. Okay, may time lang siya. From 1 PM guys to 10 PM. 320 baht. Sky Photo is 100 baht. GoPro is 250. Okay. Ngayon, dami tao. Let's go. Saan yung line? Exit yan. Ay, gwapa naman ito. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin guys, pwede rin kung wala kayong GoPro or mga action cam, 250 per round na yon, isang round. Tapos yung pinaka-attraction niya, yung rides is 320. Di ba, be? Charing. Let's go. Hindi ko lang sure kung pwede to. Kung hindi naman, actually, ready ako, prepared ako. Meron akong wrist grip, kumbaga. Holder. Ano pa naman yung dalawa? Love, love, love. Oh, cashless din dito, guys. Ang kulit, no? So, prepare na lang kayo, guys, ng credit cards or debit cards. Or kung may mga payment kayo sa app. Ayun. Tapos, since karamihan dito, puro tagdadalawa, like couple. So, baka pwede tayo mag-isa. Good luck mga be. Sharing. Aso na yun? The tallest swing ride on the side of the world. Oh. 6:30? May oras. Anong oras na? It's 5:30 na. Okay. Check lang natin. Okay, so kailangan na natin mag-fill out ng siguro waiver. I-scan natin para pwede tayo mag-fill out dito pa lang. Hello, just for one. Yeah,
Okay, we have time slot for you. Start at 6:30 p.m.
okay.
Where you from, sir?
Philippines. Okay, so 6:30 guys. May 1 hour pa tayo para mag-explore. So wait lang ha. Silapan nyo lang yung consent form or yung waiver. Tapos screenshot. Alright. So we're good for 6:30 p.m. And currently guys, it's 5:38. Ito. Oh. How much?
Today 200 baht per person. Normally the price is the 499, but today is the last day, so we.
Oh, last day. What time? Or anytime I can.
Anytime, yeah. It's around,
Okay.
Each round is about 20 minutes. Yeah.
Mm,
You can
okay.
choose. We have until midnight. Yeah. The last round is 11:40.
Okay. I'll try.
Okay.
Yeah.
What time?
Yeah. Can I choose later for the time?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Cash or Thai QR code.
Cash.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, here is your ticket.
Uh-huh.
And the way to go to this part, just by the river.
Okay.
You just go straight, and when you see the carousel, it will have the exit to this part.
Got it.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ay, meron na. Meron na pala. So hanggang okay. Checkan natin. Check yung ticket. Baka actually pwede na. Ano nakalagay ba dito? Ayan, wala naman pala nakalagay. Sige, tara na nga. Check natin kung gaano kahaba yung pila. Kasi parang mas maganda siya ng ganitong oras. Yung yung sunset. Oh. Ayaw magagdanan. Where is the... Dito na yung Sky Flyers. Ayun. Thank you. Ay, konti lang pala. Ooh.
ขอดูเป็นตัว Google Form นะ
Yeah, all good.
อ๋อโอเค perfect นะ
Yeah.
โอเคครับ
Here? Okay.
ผมว่ามันน่าจะไม่นาน
Is this allowed?
Yes,
Yeah. Just this. I have it here.
we have something safety for the camera.
I have it.
Okay.
Got it. Thank you, Kap. So, bali, you can bring your own parang mini tripod and then action camera basta may grip. So, wala kasi itong grip. Wait, may naisip ako. Para at least ito na lang. Kukunin ko yung...
Toys, bags, glasses, and hats in the locker for your safety.
Oh, ito tayo agad. Hello. Oh. No need. I'm good. Thank you so much. Mabilis lang pala siya. Kala ko mag-isa ako. Kakanta sana tayo ng Defying Gravity. Mukhang naman safe. Okay. So yun na. Allowed to, yung mga action cam ninyo kung may dala kayo tapos basta may tali. Like to try. Sorry Noel. Mapapasama tuloy siya sa sa vlog natin. Ang sabi kasi sa baba, 6:30. So siguro parang na lang din nila yun na hindi masyadong dumami yung tao dito. And guys, may sunset. Ayun na. Mukha naman siyang safe. Guys, since New Year, this is for you. It's holiday season. Oh. Wow. Ooh. Ooh. It's me. Guys, this is for you. Wow. Wow. Woo. It's me. Uy, bibilis. Wala kayong tumingin sa baba. Sabi nakakataba. It's me. Paulit-ulit. Ay, may iyak. Ayan. Ang ganda ng view, guys. Okay. Laka! Meron ulit! Tulo! Ah! Charing. Yeah! Lakas ng hangin, sarap. Guys, hindi siya pang ano. hindi siya pang mahina ang loob. Wow! Charot lang. Easy lang tayo. Scary siya, scary. Check off sa bucket list. Sky Flyer. Nakakatakot siya. Kung hindi kayo sanay, guys. Wala. Pagbaba ng mga sumakay, wala na nagsasalita. Nalula. Saya. Tapos kung tatanungin niyo ako, kung uulitin ko pa, yes. Ito sila. So dito guys, ito yung parang area kung manghihiram kayo ng mga GoPro. That's 250. Ulitin pa ba natin? Yes. Kung may chance. Kung may kasama tayo. Ito challenge natin. Tara, doon na tayo sa Ice Age. May elevator naman dito in fairness din, ha? Kakatuwa. First time ko dito guys sa Asiatic. I'm so proud of myself. Kasi guys, talagang sinabi ko, gusto ko maganda yung magiging parang end ng taon natin. So, check ko lang yung mga time. And ang ganda guys ng kulay nung langit. Tapos nakalagay dito sa ticket, may free code. So siguro kasi nga malamig sa loob, di ba? -15. OMG. So gusto ko lang muna maglibot dito sa may Christmas tree kasi mapunta na tayo dun sa side na yon para we are done on this side. And look at that guys. So Happy New Year everyone. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Happy holidays. Kasi holiday season nyo to mapapanood. Di ba? So let's go here. Wow. Give a hug. Give a miracle. Ganda. Gwapo naman ito ni Kuya. Ay, gwapo naman ito. Diba? Ang gwapo niya. Parang artista ito. Parang mga BL actor. Dito tayo. May dadaan pang isa eh. Ay guys, parang mga BL actor. Gwapo naman. Ang ganda talaga ng natin, ng New Year special. Di ba? Ayan oh. Ay. Gwapo. Sorry, talikotin natin to. I'm just appreciating their beauty. Okay? May maganda rin naman babae pero wala akong type. Merry Christmas. Okay. Tara, doon na tayo sa ano yun? Masaya sila. Frozen Fantasia. Magiging muna tayo. Elsa. Elsa, do you wanna build a snowman? Ang ganda na oh. Makulay na siya. Diba ang cute? At saka guys, sorry naman kasi hindi nyo na ma-experience tong Frozen Fantasia kasi nga hanggang today na lang siya. So, bigyan ko na lang kayo ng idea. Okay, for experience, kumbaga. Okay, so maraming rides pala dito, guys. Ay, ito si Baby. Ito siya, oh. Yung kanina sa bangka. Nagkita rin kami. Charing. Destiny! Destiny talaga. So, may carousel dito. So, ito na siya. Frozen Fantasia. Here you go. Sige, sakto may init. May init na. Kasi malayo-layo din nilalakad natin. Let's go! 6:20?
Yeah, but this time.
Yeah, 6:20. Okay.
This is free cost. You go get over there.
Okay. Ayan, so yung damit daw. So you have the big one, yeah.
I have some time.
Tumingin siya talaga sa akin. Okay.
1/4?
Yeah, just 1/4. Siyempre, di tayo magaganito, no? Dito, ang init. So, 6 minutes, guys. Ay, ang cute. Ngayon ko lang nakita to. Ganda niya, oh. Magaganyan pa ba tayo? Ay, di ba sabi ko rin, lahat ng attractions or rides dito sa Asiatic kasi first time natin. Sige. Ito, siguro dyan na yung finale natin, guys. Sabi dito, Journey to the Ice Universe Shimmering by the Chao Phraya. Hindi ko pang Christmas season nga lang talaga nila dito, guys. Oh, ha? Okay, Cap. Thank you. ขอบคุณนะครับAlright. Ooh. More lights. Malamig na nga siya, guys. Pero parang hindi kasya sa akin tong coat. Oh, nice. Diba? Parang ano? Yeah. Parang pag nag-Korea tayo, ganitong coat. Oh. Oh my God, so cold. Ang lamig. O, di sakit ang abot natin dito. Solo natin, guys. Let it go. Let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go. Pwede ba itong hawakan? Wala naman nakalagay na do not touch. Grabe guys, totoong ice, oh. Kaya may mga tao na. Lamig, grabe, sarap. O, partida, naka-short tayo. Naka-pek-pek short pa tayo. Ay, do not touch. Merong mga ice na do not touch. Kasi tignan nyo, pag bigla nyo na ano to, parang iba yung tingin ko. Parang iba yung tingin ko. Charing. Dragon. Sarap. Ooh. Ganito ba guys sa Korea? At saka sa Japan, negative 15. Ayun lang yun. Ayun lang pala siya. So ito lang. Pero guys, not bad for 200 ah. Like 100 kasi yung entrance nyo dito, tapos 100 for the coat. Not bad. Oh, Hydra. Lamig. Kumanta ng Let It Go, no? Madulas. Grabe yung details, oh. May igloo pa dito, guys. Igloo. Oh, kasya tayo. Uy, in fairness so ibig sabihin, yung mga igloo guys, pagpasok nyo pala sa loob, hindi ganun kalamig. So ganito kaya yun. Ang lamig. Ang sarap. Parang na-excite ako mag-Japan. Pero pupunta tayong Japan, summer. Uy, ang tapang nila, oh. Sanay na sa yard. May mga chair pa dito. Real. Ay, may nagbebenta ng alak dito, guys. Ayan, no. Pwede kayong bumili. Ang gwapo naman ito. Okay tayo dito. Let it go. Let it go. Ay, pwede magpadulas. Ano ko? Ang lamig-lamig na kabaka. Woo! Parang ang lamig. Sige. Ang lamig sa puwet. Hala. Nakaano pala ako. Cream na shorts. Basta yung pet ko. Lamig guys, sarap. Ito meron. Pwedeng uminom. 150 per baht. 150 baht per shot. May premium 250. May super premium 350. Ito siya. Ay, cute. Hello. Ito, yung mga ganito, do not touch. Grabe, nanginginig na. Yung kamay ko. Balik tayo dito. Dragon, no? Oh. Elsa? I cannot feel my hands na. O orte, basa nga yung short ko guys. Dumi. Elsa? Si Elsa Drogo pala, no? Okay, so we're good guys. Tapos 100 na ulit tayo. Dito yung entrance. Ayan siya. Woo! Ang lamig, grabe. Nanginginig na ako. Okay na. Baka magkasakit tayo. May init sa labas eh. Elsa! Tama na Elsa, maghunos dili ka. Alam mo, grabe oh. Ayoko na. Bye bye. Ito ang tapang nito oh.
วันนี้คนเยอะ
Grabe. Ang sakit sa tenga. Kaya pala siguro yung mga na pupunta sa mga malalamig na lugar, talaga nag-yellow or nag-snow. May mga ganun pa sila. Sakit. So ito siya guys ulit. Diba? Tapos may mga gloves din. Yun lang naman. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hindi tayo magkakarousel kasi pambata yun. Pero walang tao dun guys sa Ferris wheel. Yun na lang siguro yung pang finale natin. Hindi na tayo muna siguro kakain dito. And this vlog is more on mga attractions during the holiday season dito sa Bangkok. One thing I'm sure of, isa si Bangkok sa magagandang mag-celebrate ng mga ganitong ano. Parang feeling ko, mas okay siya ng sunset guys. Yung Sky Flyer. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Marami palang kainan dito. Maraming bilihan ng mga pasalubong. So, try nyo na lang mag-explore dito sa Asiatic, okay? Yung mga ihaw-ihaw, oh. Meron pa pala dito, guys, Mystery Mansion. Ganyan siya. Di ko lang alam kung may nanakot or ganon. Basta Mystery Mansion. And ang ticket niya, guys, is 350. Parang ka-price niya yung Sky Flyer. 350 Thai baht. Sige, try nga natin. This is good, open. Just for one. Thank you. This way? Okay, Cap. So guys, huwag lang may mananakot, sasampalin ko talaga. So ito lang, nasa harap lang siya ng Ferris wheel. Parang iikot-ikot lang. Ay, si Elsa. Wow! Sorry. Okay. This one. Okay. Is this like a horror house? Someone will scare me na. Little bit daw. Ah! Sorry. Uy, matadilim. Wala talagang manggugulat ha. Ah! Wala akong makita. Uy, bakit ang dilim? Makakapagsalita ako ng masama dito. Wow! Charing. Muntik na ako magsalita ng kung ano-ano. Ayan sila guys. Oh, big spider. Ah! Charing. Okay na ba? Uy, meron na naman. Bakit kasi ang dilim? Ah! Ay. Ah! 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 Ano ba yan? Ah! Ah! Yung sounds yung nakakagulat eh. Para pababa na tayo. Buti wala talagang totoong nananakot. Ah! Ang dilim kasi. Ah! Ah! Ano ba yan? Ah! Loser. Nakita ko kayo. Oh. Ayan, palabas na tayo. Ang sakit sa tuloy, ang sakit sa ulo yung sigaw ko. Ah! Okay ka. Gago to si Kuya. Nabuang to talaga si Kuya. yung sigaw. Kaloka to si Kuya, nagulat. Nag-aabang siya. Kaloka to. Try nyo. Para naman pag nandito na kayo, try nyo na lahat.
A few moments later.
May pila ba? Okay, konti lang yung pila guys. So check natin kung magkano. Uy, grabe 600. So this is open guys. Monday to Friday ng 4 p.m. to 12 a.m. Tapos pag Saturday, Sunday and public holiday, 3 p.m. to 12 a.m. Meron din sila tinatawag na guys, VIP, which is glass floor. Okay, so ang admission nito guys is 600 Thai baht. Pag senior is 400 baht. Pag children sa height nila binibase, 120 cm, 300 baht. Handicap, mga PWD, 300 baht. This one, yes. Do you wanna come? Join me?
Hamburg. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Sawadika. Thank you. Okay, Kap. Mabait na dito, guys. Grabe. Kaya gusto ko si Thailand. Amazing Thailand it is. And this is the land of smile indeed. Tara guys, naka-VIP sila. Yan, love, love, love. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. This one. Yeah. Okay, so ito na yung pinali natin guys. Masyado tayo maraming ginawa dito. Yay! Hey! Uy! Uy, aircon! Okay. Thank you. Aircon! Usually hindi aircon yung mga ganito, di ba? Hindi ko lang alam kung ilang ikot tayo guys. Saan ba yung magandang shots? Kita nyo ba? Ito na lang. Ayun guys, mabilis siya in fairness ha. Unlike sa mga na-try nating Ferris wheel sa Taiwan, in fairness, mabilis. At saka hindi siya nakakatakot guys. Kahit hindi. Kasi ako, sanay naman ako, di ba? Ayun o, ang cute nila. Pero cruise. O ayan, nasa pinakataas na tayo. Grabe, proud ako sa sarili ko guys na naisipan ko na gawin tong parang pagtawid natin from Kaohsiung to Bangkok. And guys, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, Happy Holidays. Wala, dumami yung tao bigla. So anong oras na ba? 6:45 PM pa lang. So yun lang guys, thank you so much. Grabe. Grabe yung support niyo na binibigay sa akin guys every time na may ina-upload tayo, every time na nami-meet ko kayo. Sobrang grateful ako sa inyo guys. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, hindi naman ako magkakaroon ng lakas ng loob na gawin itong mga pagta-travel vlog pag wala akong natutulungan, pag alam kong wala akong napapasaya. And that's our goal guys. And syempre mas marami pa tayong gagawin sa 2026. Okay, sana sama-sama pa rin tayo hanggang 2026, 2027, 2028, forever. And sana maging forever certified MP-natics din kayo guys. Kanta tayo. It's me. Paulit-ulit. Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of a dear Savior's birth. Wala sa todo. Fall on your knees. Oh, the angels' voices all night, divine all night, when Christ was born. Wait lang, tapos na yung Christmas. And baby, you're a fire. Your words, come on, let the star go. Now. So sige, yun lang guys. Thank you so much sa pagsama sa akin dito, syempre, sa Asiatic for the first time. And ano ba nga ba, kung may kakilala kayo guys na pupunta dito sa Bangkok anytime soon, or nagbabalak na pumunta dito mga ganitong season din, like pa-Christmas season, holiday season, please share this video, baka maingganyo sila. Alright? And guys, syempre, pa 2026 na, baka hindi ka pa rin nakasubscribe, check mo yan, ha? Check mo yan sa YouTube. And just in case, hindi ka pa na-subscribe, I guess this will be your time to subscribe to my channel, Mark Paragas Official, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga upcoming travel vlogs pa natin guys, not only here sa Bangkok, Thailand, at sa mga susunod pa for the 2026. Amazing 2026. Let's manifest. Okay? Enjoy life. Live life to the fullest. Enjoy every moment. Because you will never be at this age again, guys. So please, do what makes you happy and follow me as we discover the world one step at a time. See you guys tomorrow for our New Year Countdown Special. Good night, mga ka-MP-natics!